To update your master controller and AGITO core, you'll need a Windows computer and an AGITO firmware update cable. To download the latest firmware version, you'll need to visit the Motion Impossible website, then hover over Support and click on Downloads. In there, you click on the button that reads AGITO Firmware. This will then download a package that includes the firmware files necessary and the installer. Next, plug in the USB end of the firmware update cable into your computer. Then, unzip the file you just downloaded and launch miprogrammer.exe. If the Windows Defender prompt appears, select More Info and then Run anyway. Firstly, we'll be updating the master controller. Select the master option and power it on. When the master has started, plug in the update cable to aux 2 on the master. In the menu, navigate to Update Firmware and select. The screen should then go white but not restart. Then select Connect in the programmer. It should then say Master Connected in the bottom left. Next, you need to select Open File and navigate to the folder you downloaded that contains the programmer. Then go into Firmware Files and select the file labelled Master Firmware. Once it has confirmed the firmware version you selected, click Update and wait for the progress bar to finish. Do not unplug or power the system down during the firmware update. Doing so may render the system unusable and will have to be returned to an authorised service centre to be repaired. If you do encounter any issues during firmware updates, please contact the support team by emailing support@motion-impossible.com. The core is programmed in a similar manner. This time select AGITO at the start and then plug in the update cable into aux 1 and power on. When asked, select the firmware marked AGITO Firmware.